Saturday, February 26th, and here we are today. We're going to clean this up here. We're going to take this stuff down. We did a coat of, or actually 2 coats of bed liner on that firewall that's underneath there, and I was going to put a couple more coats on there, but the weather just isn't good enough today. It's really windy. The sun is shining, and I'll show you that here in a minute. It's not very cold. It's like 20 degrees outside.
With the wind chill?
Well, it's, yeah.
Okay.
But I'm going to wait for some warmer weather to do that firewall. I want to do that outside rather than inside. So we'll clean this up, and I think we'll get started on a couple other things coming up, like rudder pedals. We got to put those together, have those ready to go for when we do the controls in the cockpit there. So we'll find something to do. We'll move this stuff around, get it rearranged, and we'll get started on something. And not much to see today. We got a really short day. I've got a piping gig that I gotta do this afternoon, so we thought we'd just do something real short here. We're getting the rudder pedals together, getting the parts together and ready to go. So we've got these all, we've kind of scuffed them, we've sanded them, deburred everything, got those ready to go. And I'm gonna just shoot probably a couple coats of truck bed liner on those pedal faces, and then the rest of this we're just gonna prime those with just that rattle can primer that we use, just to give it a coat of something, a little bit of protection. But yep, that's where we're at. Really nice day here today. It's almost 20 degrees out. Wind is blowing a little bit, and but boy, the sun is shining, and man, it is bright out here. You gotta have sunglasses or else you're gonna go snowblind. All right, we may or may not be up, so this might be the closing video, but it might not be the closeout video. We did go ahead and prime all those parts for the rudder pedals. I shot a coat of primer on those, and then the pedal faces, I did a coat of bed liner on it. I kind of got a big gob of it on that one pedal. It's kind of got a run on it, but I can sand that or whatever. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's got a bunch of extra on it. I guess I'll use that for my right rudder pedal on the pilot side, since you know. So we got that done, and might come back up here a little later, maybe shoot another coat on there, see what we get. But anything else?
You have your event to attend?
Yeah, got to go do some bagpiping this afternoon, so we're going to go do that. And if we've got time, we might swing back up, but if not, this is it. All right, came back up just by myself to get this. I'm going to put another coat of that bed liner on these pedals here, and also I'm just gonna shoot a layer of it on the back side of it, just to put a coat on there. But yeah, so I decided to come back and do that. actually it's dried pretty quick. Was gone for a couple hours, and so those are ready for another coat. So I'll do that. We'll get them hung up, and then we'll be back. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and that's it for now.